So this is exactly how to use your laptop or PC as a monitor for consoles here, as you can see. So the first thing we need to do is to grab the HDMI cable, and one of the ends needs to go into your console right here. And the other end, you might think that you can just stick it right into your PC or laptop, but unfortunately it is not as easy as that, because it's not gonna recognize it if you stick it directly into your PC or laptop. You can try, but unfortunately it will not work. What you have to do instead is to have one of those video capture cards here, as you can see that I have here as an example. And now I'm just going to demonstrate how it actually works. So I'm going to connect it like that to the video game capture card here. And then I'm just going to insert it right here, as you can see. So once I have done so, there is a couple of more things that we need to do. And one of the things is that we need to get the OBS, I think this is, yeah, perfect. So you can see if you go to Google here, I'm just gonna zoom in here a little bit. You have to go into Google and then search for OBS and get the OBS Studio for, yeah, your Windows or Linux or Mac, depending on what you're using, of course. So once you have gotten it, you can open up OBS Studio. What I'm going to do as well, I'm just gonna power on my console as well, of course. So now, once we have actually done so, we're going to go into our, just gonna click here, our OBS Studio here. And then what you're going to do, we can actually click on the plus symbol here and then click on video capture device. You can see it's already working, but I'm going to show you exactly how to set everything up. I can even remove this one right here, remove, to set everything up from beginning. So click on the plus symbol here now, click on video capture device, then click on OK. So now in here, just click on device here and select your game capture card, of course. And now scroll down and on, no, actually, oh yeah, audio output mode, make sure to set it to output desktop audio here and then click on OK. Then just right click right here and click on open source projector and right here. Now you can see the entire screen on your laptop. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna power on my controller here, and you can see I'm able to use it without any lag whatsoever. You can see as well if I go into games here, you can see no lag at all. By the way, if you want to be able to get this specific video game capture card here, and it works by the way for Nintendo Switch as well, for your Xbox and for your PlayStation as well, just so you know. So it's not only PlayStation 5. And if you want to be able to get it, I have left a link for it down below. And it is an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission if you purchase through it, but at no extra cost to you, of course.